Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make apple pie crescent triangles. That's what they look like. That's what we hope they're going to look like. And we got this from the Make Ahead Vegan Cookbook. Simple ingredients. That's it. Cup of chopped walnuts, quarter cup coconut sugar, quarter cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2 Granny Smith apples, which we're going to cut into 8 pieces each. And your crescent rolls, which happen to be vegan, 8 in each tube, make you 16 crescents. First things first, you're going to mix your sugars and then set that aside. Next step is to open up your pastries and separate the 8 triangles with the fat side faced to you so you can roll it to the pointy side. You're going to chop up your apples up into 8 pieces and then take out the core and peel them. And then we are going to start to mix them into your sugar blend. As you see here, put some crushed pecans, roll them all up. I'm not the best roller with these guys, but it still did end up coming out delicious. Our apple pie croissant triangles, crescent triangles, I should say. There you go. You have that one. I'm gonna have this one. Cool, nice and soft. Ooh, that apple is nice and soft.
Sweet.
Juicy. It is sweet. Taste that cinnamon.
Top with some good walnut.
The walnuts are inside actually. I just sprinkled a little sugar on top. That's it. These are delicious and very easy and quick to make. Try them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and
Ring the notification bell. And have a sweet day.
And have a happy new year.